In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a lead in Salesforce. We'll go through the process step by step so you can easily follow along and feel confident in converting leads on your own. First, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point, so after logging in, make sure you're at the home screen to access the necessary tools. Once there, look for the Leads tab. Clicking this will take you to the list of all the leads currently in your system. The Leads section is an essential part of Salesforce, offering a comprehensive view of potential clients or contacts that your business hasn't officially closed a deal with yet. Next, browse through the list and select the lead you wish to convert. It's important to make sure that you thoroughly review the details of this lead before moving on to ensure it's ready for conversion. Once you're ready, click to open that lead's detailed page. As you're viewing the lead details, you'll see an option labeled Mark Status as Complete. Before proceeding, ensure that any tasks associated with the lead, such as making initial contact or nurturing the lead, have been addressed. In Salesforce, these can typically be tracked under tabs like Contacted, Nurturing, and Unqualified. Each of these should ideally reflect completion or necessary actions taken, affirming that the lead has been adequately processed and is qualified for conversion. After verifying this, go ahead and click on Mark Status as Complete. Doing this signals that you've handled all the necessary steps in engaging with the lead and are ready to move them further down the sales pipeline. Once marked, you'll be able to see the option to Convert Lead. Select this option to initiate the conversion process. When you hit Convert, a conversion window will open. This is where the magic happens, as the lead is transformed into a full-fledged contact or account within Salesforce. It's important to double-check details during this stage, ensuring all information is accurate before finalizing the conversion. Finally, after clicking Convert, you will see an option to Go to Leads. This allows you to either go back and review the list of leads or start fresh with a new conversion. It's a useful feature for staying organized and efficient, particularly if you have other leads to manage. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a lead in Salesforce. Just remember to carry out each step carefully to avoid errors, and soon, converting leads will become second nature. If you have any questions, feel free to revisit this guide. Thanks for watching, and happy converting.